Hello friends, my name is Tukaram Dixit. Today's date is 6th April 2022. Today's our topic is difference between SQL and MySQL. In that we will see in that we will see first the what is SQL and what is MySQL. In that first what is SQL? SQL is a short for structured query language. As per the ANSI, that means American National Standards Institute guidelines, SQL is the standard language to maintain and manage a database. Beside a few minor syntax changes, most of the databases queries for retrieving, adding, or manipulating data are based on the standard SQL syntax. Then SQL was first developed at IBM. With SQL, you can easily query a database to add, alter, update, or delete data in a plain English like language. You can use SQL to manage multiple relational database management system. That means RDBMS, such as MySQL, SQL, Server Oracle, and MSSS. By writing codes and queries in SQL, you can create and modify any database along with the creation of schemas. Then we will see next time what is MySQL. In there we will see MySQL is a relational database management system. That means RDBMS, developed and released back in 1995. It was developed and sponsored by MySQL AB, which was the acquired by Sun Microsystem, which you know today as a Oracle comparison. MySQL is a combination of My, that means co-founders daughter, and SQL. MySQL was one of the earliest open source RDBMS to be overdeveloped and launched currently. There are many variants of MySQL. However, the basic syntax of all the variations remains the same, designed and written in C and C++ programming languages. MySQL is compatible with all primary OS, that means operating system. It is a core component of a widely popular open source web application and software stack called LAMP, LAMP, which stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP or PRL or Python. Then we will see what is the difference between SQL and MySQL. In that we will see first in SQL. SQL is a query programming language that manages RDBMS, that means relational database management system. Then MySQL is the in MySQL. MySQL is a relational database management system that is used that uses a SQL. Then second point is the SQL is a SQL is a preliminary used to query and operate a database system. And in MySQL, MySQL allows you to handle, store, modify, and delete data and store data in a organized way. Then in SQL does not support any connector, but in MySQL, MySQL comes with an inbuilt loop known as a MySQL workbench that facilitates creating, designing, and building databases. Then we will see next one is the in SQL. SQL follows a simple standard format without many or regular updates. And then in MySQL has a numerous variants and gets a frequent updates. It get a frequent updates. Then we will see in SQL next point. SQL supports only a single storage engine. SQL supports a single storage unit, and in MySQL offers support for multiple storage engines along with plugin storage and making it more flexible. Then we will see last one in the SQL. SQL does not allow other processor the other processors or even it one binaries to manipulate data during execution. And in MySQL, last one is the MySQL is less secure than SQL because in that, as it is allows third party processor to manipulate data files during execution. It's all about the today's topic. Thank you.